Acclaimed Jamaican singer Karen Smith has died.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Jamaican songbird Karen Smith has died, ending her one-year battle with stage 4 colon cancer. After she was diagnosed last year September, she did a surgery a few weeks later in early October. She did chemotherapy and radiation, but unfortunately nothing helped. She passed away approximately 3:30 a.m. on Saturday, September 11th at the Bay West Hospital in Montego Bay, St. James, where she was admitted on Tuesday. Smith was a former president of the Jamaica Federation of Musicians and Affiliates Union. She was also a member of the group Package, which also comprised Patricia Edwards and Jem Myers. The True Confession artist, who was one of the most respected cabaret performers in Jamaica, turned 61 on Monday, September 6th. The former St. Hugh's High School student has won 9 Jamaica Music Industry Awards and has shared stage with the likes of Natalie Cole, Seal, Air Supply, Anita Baker, Ray Charles, and Harry Belafonte. Smith was conferred with an Order of Distinction for her outstanding contribution to the music industry by the P.J. Patron administration.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!